Top loose gemstones to watch in 2025? Folkmarketgems. Looking to invest in or design with stunning natural gemstones? 2025 is all about colored gemstones. Rare, vibrant, and in high demand. Top trending gemstones: Pigeon Blood, rubies, ultra-rare red rubies from Myanmar with prices over $1 per carat. Colombian Emeralds, sustainable and stunning. Premium stones can exceed $10,000 per carat. Kashmir Sapphires, deep blue, extremely rare, valued up to $200,000 per carat. Paraíba Tourmaline, electric blue, copper-rich stones reaching $160,000 per carat. Mahenge Spinels, vibrant pink-red stones from Tanzania with rising global appeal. Cobalt blue spinels, rare, durable, and striking, worth up to $30,000 per carat. Garnets, from Savorite to Spessartine, colorful and affordable, with prices up to $7,000 Alexandrite, magical color change stones, sold at over $116,000 per carat. Tanzanite, deep blue-violet gems with strong demand and growing scarcity. Black opals, from Australia, fiery and rare, prices hitting $20,000 per carat. Why Folkmarketgems? We offer 100% natural, ethically sourced gemstones, single pieces, matched pairs, bulk deals, and more. Perfect for designers, collectors, and gemstone lovers. Start your collection today with Folkmarketgems, your trusted source for rare, certified loose gemstones.